y'all, it's your girl Ronnie Nicole back again with another YouTube video. Today I will be doing like a little glam day night look with a bold red lip. Will be like a tutorial, so I will be walking you through what to do. I have my lash on right now because I tried something new. Like I did a little liner with black eyeshadow and I just wanted to see if it would look good with my lashes on, and to me it does. So that's why my lashes is on. If you would like to see how to do this eye look, keep on watching. If you are a new subscriber, hello, how are you? My name is Ronnie Nicole. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I appreciate your love and support, and you are going to receive good karmic energy in your future. I gotta give a little disclaimer. My brother, you're gonna hear him in the background. He's not in my room, but his room is like right across from mine, the way our hallways are set up on the second floor. And he doesn't know how to be quiet because he was diagnosed with autism. So he has no noise control to him. He has to stimulate himself through noise, as you can hear in the background. So I will be speaking up a little bit louder. I will be speaking up a little bit louder so you can hear me. But yeah, if you hear him in the background, that's what that is. For this video, I will be using my handy dandy James Charles palette. As you can see, what else do I ever use? I'm gonna go into the dark brown shade up here. You know, I like to swirl it around and then tap on the loose shadow that was applied, and then I take my mirror, I look down, and I apply this in my crease area. So I screwed it up a little bit more so you can see me, but I applied that dark brown into my crease area. So now I'm going to go in with this, I want to say like a nude light brown. I swirl it and then get the loose shadow, and then I'm going to be applying it right like on my brow bone and a little bit on the top of the dark brown. I'm gonna go in a little bit back into that dark brown because I messed up just a tad bit, but you can always fix it because it's not blended out quite yet. So I'm just gonna reapply some of that dark brown. See? And it's fixed. Don't freak out. Then I'm going to be taking this as a blending brush. It was clean before I started using it to blend these two colors out. Then I'm going to be taking that same brush I used for the light brown, and I dipped just a tad bit into this white. I don't want to even say white. I want to say like it has some pink undertones to it and a little bit of white, but I used that and just went over the top just a tad. I pat a little bit, and then I go back in with my blending brush and I just blend it out. Okay, so once you have this, I took I don't even know what this brush is called, but I know it's made by Wet n Wild. My mom gave these to me. I used this to cut my crease with the well, I technically did not cut my crease. I did a glitter cut crease. I didn't use any concealer. That's why I said technically I didn't do one. So all I did was I dipped into the glitter. I like to break it down before I apply it to my eyes. So I broke it down and I started using the fallout to line out the cut crease first, and then I started just filling it in. I did not wet my brush before because every time I try to wet my brush when I use shimmers, it does not go well. So I just stopped doing it and I started to learn how to pack on the color. So basically that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna scoot up just a little bit closer so you can see, and hopefully I don't cover what you need to see. Okay, now I finished that cut crease. I'm gonna scoot in a little bit so you can see. That took me 4 minutes. I promise you, I've been trying to get better at cut creases because not knowing how to do them is I just did not like knowing how to do them. So I've been working on it. Now I'm gonna go back. I don't know why I keep picking up this mirror. I'm gonna go back into the little brown shade that I used before on my cut crease. And I'm going to just bring it a little bit down and like diagonally across the shimmer shade. So I'm gonna pat it in on the ends and just bring it diagonally down like I said. Then once I do that, I'll go back in with my blending brush and I blend out the rough edges in a circular motion because I feel like it gets the job done. I don't want to wipe because I don't want to mess up the shimmer. I should have just wiped this foundation off at the back of my hand because I just messed up one of my favorite pair of my leggings. I'm upset. And I'm really trying to speak calm right now because usually when I get upset, I yell. And I'm trying to stop yelling. It'll come out. I know it will. It just, I'm upset. I'm getting in the shower after this anyway. It is fine. It is fine. It is fine. It is okay. Don't flip out. After I just calm myself down, because I was going to lose it, I go into this, the black with this, I think it's called the liner brush. And I tap it because I don't want it, I really don't want to mess up this look. So what I did was I started on the edge and I just bring it straight up. And then I went back in and I go along the edges of my, I believe it's called your eyelash line. And I just made it like into a little liner. That's basically what I did. Then I went back in with my blending brush and I blended it downward. The foundation is gonna sharpen it, so it doesn't really matter if you get it down on your face, but what you want is that blend effect. But you want some sharpness because you want to let your date know that you know how to do liner. I mean, I know I'm not good at liner. I admit that I'm not good at it. That's one of the reasons why I don't do it. But when I do it, or when I attempt to do it, I take my time because I don't want to be out here looking bogus. So this is what I do. If you're scared that the liner is gonna get into your, well, the black is gonna get into your foundation, just wipe. Literally, that's all you have to do. Just like that. And you'll be fine. That's all you have to do. Literally. Be careful. Take your time. Please do not rush. because you will mess up. I'm going to apply my eyelash. Ooh, I did not put on mascara. First, I'm going to put on mascara. Then I'm going to put on my eyelash because I did not do that. So now that we're done with the eye look, I'm going to move into my base, and my base never changed. Well, the primer did change because I needed a new one, and this is the one I saw, and it was interesting. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Water Drop Primer. It's in the scent Coconut. I've used it before, and the only thing I don't like about it is that it's like watery. I really don't. But what I do love about it is that it doesn't even smell like coconut. It smells like shea butter. If you use shea butter, that's what it smells like. And then it gives off like this really nice glowy finish. You're about to see once I rub this in. Give me 1 second. You see the finish it gives? I like that. I'm sorry, my brother. He can't control it. I'm telling you, he cannot control it. The only thing I can ask him to do is close his door. And 9 times out of 10, he's not going to listen. I feel like I started to look more orange when applying my foundation. And y'all know I switched to my summer shade 355 Coconut by Maybelline Fit Me because not my summer shade, my regular shade. Excuse me, I messed up. But I went back to my regular shade 355 Coconut, and I felt like I was looking orange, so I wanted to darken it just a little bit. So I started adding back my summer shade. So I mixed these two together, the 355 and the 356, and I mixed it on the back of my hand, and I used it as a foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I started dotting instead of swiping because I felt like it was too much. The only swipe I do is on my nose, but I put 3 dots on my forehead now. I don't even do my triangle no more. Ooh, excuse me. And yes, I do still let that sit, and I do still go in with my e.l.f. Large concealer brush just to tap it out. Okay, so now that I finished getting out my concealer, I'm sorry, my powder had crumbles in it. I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 35D. Your eyebrow ever itch? Mine is, and I don't want to touch it. Ow. So I was away. I finished my contour. I'm sorry, my eyelash just poked me in the eye. Oh. Finished my contour and my bake. So now I am going to do my highlight. I'm using the Maybelline New York Master Holographic highlighter. It's a prismatic highlighter. It's really, really pretty. I accidentally stuck my finger in it one day, but this is, ooh, no. So now that I finished highlighting, isn't it so pretty? I'm sorry, I love the highlighter. Now I'm going to use the lip combo. I'm going to outline my lips first because I don't want them just plain red because the lipstick is matte. And I don't know, I feel like red lipstick don't look great on me. So I'm going to outline my lips first and then apply the red. So now that I have the lip on and my face is done, I'm going to fix my hair and come back for my outro. So I'm back and now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. If you're a new subscriber and you stayed to the end of this video, I thank you so much. I really appreciate it. All the love and support is needed. If you are a returning subscriber and you stay, also thank you very much. The love and support is very much needed. Make sure you go follow me on all my social medias. I have 2 Instagrams, ronnienicolemua and Ronnie Nicole, 2 N's and 2 E's for Ronnie and Nicole, except for Nicole on the 2 N's. Follow me on my Twitter at Ronnie Nicole. And please follow me at my TikTok at Ronnie Nicole. Basically, everything is Ronnie Nicole except my makeup Instagram. All the links to my social medias will be in the description box below. Changed my posting. Comes to posting on my makeup Instagram, I will be posting mostly during the weekends, including Monday. And then when it comes to a new YouTube channel, I will be posting no, not a new YouTube channel, dummy. I'm sorry. When it comes to posting on YouTube for a new video, you will get the video alert every Sunday around 8:30 Central PM. Don't forget to use my Lujo Lash code to get 15%. No, not even 15. What? I messed up. I almost told y'all the wrong information. Make sure you use my Lujo Lash code RONNICO5 to get 20% off your new pair of lashes. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you all. Please stay safe in this pandemic. Make sure you are quarantined. And if you do go somewhere, please make sure you are wearing your mask the correct way. I love you all. And have a nice night, everyone.